I'm going to be showing you how to solve this push up through this and particular problem. So what's probably think this problem is when saving a Photoshop file. Show you a secret on how to solve this particular problem. The first of all what you need to do, let me open the PSD before I say you can see it. How to solve it is very frustrating. I went to be showing you the secret website on this secret way on how to solve this problem. It's like this video comments and if you are not to this channel, please subscribe, thank you. So first of all, you need to go to your Google Chrome browser. I know you search for what to decide to buy and search for a Photopea. So let me do a short summary for Photo PC. It's an online website that you can edit PSD file. PDF refer any documents online for free without spam, without you installing the app or without paying for any software. You can do all this thing online. So that's a brief explanation for to piece all apart. To your Chrome browser and the upload it to this Photopea, it also wait for some seconds ways to load. It's still loading. Yes, it's for some seconds. So it's a load. So this is it. This is my PSD back and bug impact and the way I did everything and equality and everything. Exactly I did the image. This is the magical for two people.